And we need to figure out something else to do with it, because if I don't get my own space in this house, I'm going to lose it. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. It's been like maybe a month, a little over a month since I've done a vlog. I put a video out last week about why I'm so happy that I waited to have a baby until my 30s, and this is why. It's been a little over a month since I've been able to film a vlog. Sometimes when you have a child, a little baby, things just don't get done. Okay, like for instance, I wanted to start vlogging earlier this morning, but Cassius insisted on screaming his head off for an hour straight. Sometimes things just don't get done. They just don't get done. I have him occupied now, drinking a bottle and watching his morning cartoons. Listen, if any of you all are mamas, I'm gonna tell you right now, when I was first struggling, like when I first brought him home and I was really going through it with postpartum, a lot of mamas reached out to me and was like, girl, it's going to get better. As he gets older and becomes a little bit more independent and you all learn each other, it's going to get better. So mamas, let me be the first to tell you, it does get better. Like just the mere fact that now Cassius is able to hold his own bottle and feed himself, I'm able to get more done. He wakes up early in the morning, right? And when he wakes up in the morning, I have to give him his first bottle. So it used to be when he wakes up, I have to give him his first bottle, which means I have to sit there and feed him. And 9.5 times out of 10, I need to go to the bathroom. But I can't go to the bathroom and leave him to feed himself. So I would literally have to be, TMI, on the toilet feeding him while trying to use the bathroom. I don't have to do that anymore. Now I can get up and give him his own bottle, sit him down in a chair, give him his bottle, and I can go, you know, do my business. So just that little thing, him being able to feed himself, has made my life entirely easier. So mamas, it gets easier. It gets easier. This morning he's cranky. I don't know why, but we have to run out. I need to go to, I'm sweating. God, why am I sweating? I need to go to Menards because our front door has been broken for several weeks and I'm tired of it looking like that. Like it looks really tacky, and that's not the way I want my house to look. So we need to go to Menards and figure that out. And then I want to stop at Target because they have a sale going on and I've been grabbing things gradually, but before the sale goes off, I need to get some more stuff. So we'll stop at Target and then maybe get something to eat and then come on back home. So that's the plan for this morning. Looking around my office, I could literally cry. I think that when my man comes home, we need to have a conversation, because when we moved into this house, I had already made it up in my mind that my office was going to be my sanctuary, my space. I wanted to make it super girly. Like this was, men have their man cave. This was supposed to be my she shed. Okay. And it has turned into a storage closet. This man has so many pairs of shoes. I could literally open up a secondhand store. He has shoes upon shoes upon shoes upon shoes. And don't even get me started on the basement. Our basement is packed with this man's clothes. His fashions are getting out of control. And they have taken over my space, and we need to figure out something else to do with it, because if I don't get my own space in this house, I'm going to lose it. I will lose it. Because he has his own man cave upstairs. We have a whole whiskey room in our house, and it's decorated exactly how he wants it. It's very manly. And so he has his own space. I need my own space, or else I am going to have a conniption. So we're gonna have to talk about that when he gets home and figure something out. Like, baby, you got to do something else with your shoes because it has taken over my space. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. You see this disaster behind me? Yeah, that's what I mean when I say, like, I could literally cry. I could literally cry because this is not okay. It's not okay. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys something. Why did nobody tell me about fajas when I was pregnant? Nobody told me about fajas, and now here I am And now here I am, 6 months postpartum, just now starting my faja journey to get my stomach back flat. I wanted to show you guys this. So this is the faja that I have. It snatches, when I say snatched my waist in. Snatched it. Look at it smooths out the back rolls. You don't even need a bra with this because the material is so strong and it sits the girls right on up. Don't even need a bra. I got this off of TikTok. I will put the link for this particular one in my description box. But I'm so pissed that nobody told me about fajas when I was pregnant, because if I had known, I would have started my faja journey like from day one. I would have put the faja on in the hospital if I had known like this was the thing to do, but nobody told me. I feel like I did I feel like I did enough research when I was pregnant about postpartum and healing and all that other stuff, but I never saw videos on fajas and like stomach binding and what you're supposed to do to get your stomach back flat after you give birth. So basically, like, you put your faja on because when your stomach heals after giving birth, you know, your stomach has been stretched for 9 months. So it's a lot of loose skin and it's going to take time for all of that to just come back together. So as you're healing, you want your stomach to heal like this, like flat. You don't want your stomach to heal like this, which is kind of like what my stomach has done, because I have like I have a fupa now. No, I don't have a fupa. I just have a belly. And I've been working really hard lately trying to do more core strength training to pull that back together. And incorporating the faja is really going to help. I hope I'm not too late, because like I said, I'm 6 months postpartum and I'm like, I wish I had known. I would have done this. Maybe not at the hospital, because after giving birth, you are so sensitive. I couldn't imagine something like this on me, squeezing me like right after birth. I would have been too scared. But I would have started earlier with the faja. But now I know. I mean, hopefully that helps somebody else. Even if, you know, you're not a new mama, if you just want to get your stomach on flat, I highly suggest you get one of these. They're inexpensive. This one was like $35-40 bucks. So it's a must-have. You good over there, baby? You happy now? You got your bottle? You happy? Okay. Sir was not having a happy morning with me. Oh. I'm gonna sit down for a second because I got this new camera. Come on, Fane. Let me sit you guys up here. Let's see. Boom, boom. Hello. Hi. Hello. Can you see me? Okay, there we go. I got this new camera. I know you guys have, if you're on TikTok, which now, of course, TikTok is like my addiction, and I post on there every single day. So if you're interested in seeing some more of me, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I literally post every day. But anyway, everybody has been going crazy about the mini cameras. I know you guys have seen like the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm going to get one of those probably at the end of this month. But I wanted to test out just using a mini camera, and I got this little mini cam. And I want to test it out today because I am a shy vlogger. Like, I don't like pulling out this camera in public. It's a lot. People be staring at you, even though I really don't care. But it's a lot, especially like having to handle him and carry bags and all that other stuff. Carrying my camera at the same time is just, it's not really doable for me. On top of that, I live in Chicago, so you need to be head on swivel all the time, and I don't really want to have this camera out in certain areas. So I got this little mini camera. It looks like this. It's very inexpensive. I think this is like maybe 40 bucks, but I wanted to take it on a test run if I can. I'll cut this thing on. Maybe I should charge it. I think it's on low battery, but I'm gonna charge this up before I leave the house and just do some vlogging when I'm in the store, and then I'll add it into this video and we'll see how the quality is. I want you guys to let me know what you think of the quality of this, but I'm very excited about this little gadget. I'm such a gadget girl now. Like, since I've been doing YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, and I've been getting brand partnerships and all kind of stuff, like I have been striving to do better quality content, like as far as my editing goes and all of that. So getting this mini camera is really going to help. So we're gonna test this out today. I'm gonna let baby finish up his bottle and then pack him up, and we're gonna go ahead and head out. Okay, I have switched over to my little mini camera. I don't know how it looks. Like, the screen is so the screen is so little, you really can't tell. I mean, I could see myself, but you know, I'm used to a wider screen. So I just pulled up to Menards. We're about to go in here and get this piece for the door. Then we'll hit Walmart and Target, and then we'll head back home. So let's try this camera out. Let me know how the quality is. It's always a struggle trying to find somebody who works in these areas. I feel like people just be gone. So, just need somebody who works here so I can get this piece to the door. Go over to the main desk and see if I can find somebody. Let's go look at the Christmas lights. Let's go look at the Christmas lights. It's a rockin'. I'm sorry. Come on. We gotta wait for this guy to get here. So let's go look at the lights. Ooh. Oh my. Ever since we were in Hobby Lobby once and I accidentally parked the cart next to the Christmas tree and saw his face just light up, I always park him next to the take him down the Christmas aisle because he can't get enough.
Always attached to the tree.
Yeah, he like, what is that? This he's scared. I like these. I think I should get one of these for my office. I mean, it's only 30 bucks. And since I'm about to kick my man on out my office, I can decorate it how I like. Maybe I'll get me a cute little tinsel tree. Man, they got top flight security up in Menards. The guy had to open up another door and give me the missing pieces that I needed for my door. And he was like, here, just take this and you could just walk out. You don't need anything else, just walk out. I already knew when he was like, just walk out, that it was going to be an issue. Man, a little short white lady at the front, she's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where you going with that? Do you need me to ring you up? I'm like, no, the manager back there gave me this. She was like, well, what is it? I'm like, it's an insert for my door. Well, you need to have a sheet or something. So then the little security girl, she came over there and she was like, who gave it to you? I'm like, the manager. Gave him his name, gave her his name. And she was like, oh no, you're good, you're good. But I'm telling you, that little white lady, she was about to tackle me. I'm like, I'm sorry. He just told me to leave out with it. I'm sorry. Don't hurt me. Okay, we finished up at Walmart. I wanted to go to Target. Like I said, they're having a great sale, but I think I'm just gonna go home because honestly, I just spent a bunch of money 2 days ago in Target, and I bought some other things online. And at this point, I'm just like, I need to stop spending. I need to stop spending for the week. So I think I'm done. I'm gonna just go to the bank. I have to go to the bank real quick and then we'll go home. We went apple picking the other day, so I needed to get some puff pastry, which is what I got out of Walmart, and I want to make some type of apple pastry. I want to do an apple turnover, but we'll see how that turns out. It's my first time doing any kind of baking, so I'm excited. So when we get home, we'll do that. You okay back there? All right, let me get out of this Walmart parking lot. Cassius, you gotta pick one. How you crying and you're smiling at me at the same time? This baby is literally crying and smiling at me at the same time. Yes, you. Yes, what's the problem? Mommy's gonna make your bottle. Please stop yelling at me. Hey, bottle. Move all this stuff out the way. Oh my Lord. Everything's so junky all the time. I'm so... Let me tell you something. Ladies, wherever you are in your relationships, if you want to get married or whatever, and you decide to move in with somebody, living with somebody is a test. It's a test of your patience. I swear, living with someone is a test of your patience, because I like my space completely decluttered. Like, I looked forward to moving into a house and having just a clean, pretty space to work with. But my man is a collector of all things, all gadgets, all little cool kitchen items, anything he can get his hands on. And if the item is on sale, he's definitely gonna get it. So it doesn't matter how many times I declutter a room, it's always going to be some kind of new gadget that I've never seen before that he bought on sale. Mommy's making it. I'm making it. You gotta shake it up. You gotta shake it up first. Yeah, I'm excited too. Here you go. Happy?
Sure. Great. Thanks, Mama.
Okay, I need to eat something. I haven't eaten all day. I have a brand meeting in about a half hour, so I need to eat something real quick. After my meeting, then we are going to make the apple pastry. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope it turns out good. Oh my God, I'm so nervous, but okay, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. I got you, Benzo. You're next. Now the cat needs me. Okay.
Can't focus on me.